How to make a candy cane cocktail. Merry Christmas, drinking buddies. Scotty Boxer here for DrinkLab.org, your home of free Christmas cocktail recipes. And if you haven't signed up to become my drink buddy, then you're missing out on winning all sorts of cool stuff just like this. So head on over to our website and sign up now. In the meantime, this here is 2 versions of the candy cane cocktail. It's part of our Christmas cocktail collection, and this is how to make it. To make version 1, you'll need 1 ounce of peppermint schnapps or liqueur, 1 ounce of chocolate liqueur, 2 ounces of cream or half and half, and a splash of grenadine. First up, I'm getting a little bit fancy and rimming our cocktail glasses with coloured sugar. In a cocktail shaker filled with ice, pour in 1 ounce of peppermint schnapps or liqueur, 1 ounce of white chocolate liqueur, and 2 ounces of cream or half and half. Give that a shake and strain into your martini glass. Add a dash of grenadine and a candy cane. To make the second version, you'll need 2 ounces of white chocolate liqueur, 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of peppermint liqueur, and a splash of grenadine. In a cocktail shaker filled with ice, pour in your 1 ounce of peppermint liqueur, 2 ounces of white chocolate liqueur, and 1 ounce of vodka. Give that a shake and strain into your garnished martini glass. Add a dash of grenadine. And I present to you 2 versions of the candy cane cocktail, perfect for Christmas and a part of our Christmas cocktail collections. If you want more, then head on over to our website, DrinkLab.org. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos every single week. But in the meantime, I will see you next time. Go out and enjoy yourself, don't destroy yourself, and Merry Christmas. For more information and videos, follow the links on your screen or in the description below.